Good morning, children. Let's start chapter 3, multiplication. Children, you have already learnt about multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. Yes, it means adding the same number again and again. Now, let me show you how multiplication works. So, here I have some pebbles. I count them 1, 2, 3 in this group and 1, 2, 3 in this group. We have two groups with 3 pebbles in each group. 3 here and 3 here. It means we have two groups of 3. So, if I count them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pebbles. So, two groups of 3 gives us 6 pebbles. And the way we write this in the multiplication is 2 times 3 is equal to 6, or two groups of 3 is 6. Two groups of 3 is 6. Now let us start exercise 3A. Write the multiplication fact. First is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. How many times 5 is here? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Similarly, rest all you have to do. Next question, fill in the blanks. For this question, children, you have to understand some of the properties of multiplication. First is multiplication by 0. The product of any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. For example, 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 9 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Second is multiplication by 1. When we multiply a number by 1, the product is the same number. For example, 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, the same number. Next, order property. The product of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of numbers. For example, 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 7. In this case, 7 multiplied by 6 means 6 times 7. 6 sevens are 42, and which is equal to 7 6 are 42. The products are same. So by using these properties, you have to complete question number 2. Next, using the multiplication tables, find the product. 7 multiplied by 4. It means 4 sevens are 28. Table of 4 you have to say. 8 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16. Table of 2 you have to say. Similarly, rest all you have to complete. Next question. Find the product. 42 multiplied by 2. Start from the ones column. 2 ones multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So write 4 under ones column. Now multiply tens column. 4 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 42 multiplied by 2 is equal to 84. Next, 35 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are, first start from the ones column. You have to multiply 5 ones by 2. So 2 5s are 10. Write 0 under ones column and 1 is carried to tens place. Now multiply tens column. 3 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6 plus carried number. 6 plus 1 7. So 35 multiplied by 2 is equal to 70. Exercise 3B. Multiply to fill in the blanks. Here some numbers are given in the horizontal strip which you have to multiply with the numbers given in the vertical strip. So the first number is 0. You have to say the table of 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 9s are 0. The next number is 3. So you have to say the table of 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. Next number is 6. So you have to say the table of 6. Similarly, rest all you have to complete. Next exercise is 3C. Using the multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9, fill in the boxes. Children, you have already learned tables of 7, 8 and 9. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to, it means 7 5s are 35. 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to, it means 9 6 are 54. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to, it means you have to say the table of 8. 8 4s are 32. Rest all you have to complete. Next question. Find the product. 24 multiplied by 7. Start from ones column. 7 4s are 28. Write 8 under ones column and 2 carried to tens place. Now multiply tens column. 7 2s are 14. Add 2. 14 plus 2, 16. 16. Write 6 under tens column and 1 under hundreds column. So 24 multiplied by 7 is equal to 168. Next, 18 multiplied by 9. Start from ones column. 9 8s are 72. Write 2 under ones column and 7 carried to tens place. Now multiply tens column. 9 ones are 9 plus 7, 16. Write 6 under tens column and 1 under hundreds column. Thus 18 multiplied by 9 is equal to 162. Similarly, you have to do rest all the questions. Next, exercise 3D. In this exercise, you have to multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number without regrouping. You have to solve these questions. So the first is 3-digit number 403 multiplied by 2. Start multiplying ones column. 3 ones multiplied by 2. 2 threes are 6. Write 6 under ones column. Multiply tens column. 2 zeros are 0. Write 0 under tens column. Next, multiply hundreds column. 2 fours are 8. Write 8 under hundreds column. Thus, 403 multiplied by 2 is equal to 806. Next, 211 multiplied by 4. Start multiplying ones column. 4 ones are 4. Write 4 under ones column. Multiply tens column now. 4 ones are 4. Write 4 under tens column. Next, multiply hundreds column. 4 twos are 8. Thus, 211 multiplied by 4 is equal to 844. Similarly, rest all you have to solve. Next, in exercise 3E, multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. First question is 107 multiplied by 6. Multiply 7 ones by 6 first. 6 sevens are 42. Write 2 under ones column and 4 carried to tens place. Now multiply tens column. 6 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. So write 4 under tens column. Next, multiply hundreds column. 6 ones are 6. Write 6 under hundreds column. Thus, 107 multiplied by 6 is equal to 642. Next question, 216 multiplied by 3. Start from ones column. 3 6 are 18. Write 8 under ones column and 1 carried to tens column. Now multiply tens column. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Write 4 under tens column. Now multiply hundreds column. 3 twos are 6. Write 6 under hundreds column. Thus, 216 multiplied by 3 is equal to 648. Similarly, solve rest all the questions.